Sanchita Mukherjee.
I'm Dr. Pvt Ltd.
And today we are going to talk about our year-long research and pilot plant implication of Pvt bioplastic. I'll request Dr. Pvt to talk about his interesting research on Pvt.
Hi, I started my research in 2003, which ultimately we could get the results in 2017 when my patent was accepted by Government of India IPO. And then we formed, myself and Sanchita formed a company called Rigel Bioenviron Pvt Ltd. And to our pride, we got the BILAC Big 16 projects where Sanchita is our project investigator.
So I'll just request Partha, you talk about your research. I mean, what is the technology that you have developed in your research time? I mean, in your PhD days. So based on that, we have actually applied for this BILAC. So I'll request him to talk about that.
In 2003, initially, when I got discussed with my guide, Dr. Tapan Chakravarti from NIDI, he was then the deputy director there, and he was working on lab scale project where he was using a lot of waste waters from various industries, which was used for producing biodegradable polyhydroxy alkaloids. My research started with a pilot scale study with dairy wastewater from Amul, and it's a small reactor scale of 200 liters per day where PHA was being produced from dairy wastewater. And for 1.5 years, the entire experimentation was done. And after the long PhD, I have developed a system. The patent was granted in 2017, and then after that, I decided to form a company where I could get Sanchita with me as one of the founder directors, and then both of us formed a company, Rigel Bioenviron Pvt Ltd, to take the process forward.
So after formation of our startup in 2020, we opted for a government grant. So there are various startup grants from Government of India. So we opted for BILAC BIG, that is Biotechnology Ignition Grant, and on the first attempt we were through. So what we proposed in BIG is that we will produce PHA from agro wastewater. So after securing the fund, we have started our project in a distillery, in a very well-known distillery of India, situated in West Bengal, and here we are actually developing the pilot scale production of PHA from distillery agro wastewater. So I will request Dr. Partha to talk about the technology more intensely.
At present, the PHA is produced from pure substrate glucose or starch, and then it is being digested, and then the extraction of PHA is done from the microbial biomass, and the pure PHA is formed. What we are using the wastewater from the distillery here, and using that organics as a substrate to allow the mixed microbial culture to produce the PHA within it, and then we are taking that entire biomass, then extracting it through centrifugation and some other downstream processes, which later on we will be showing you the entire pilot plants where our team is working on it, and we could get a pure quality PHA from in amorphous form and also in crystalline form, and then from there we could develop some granules out of it, and these granules can be used for producing various types of
biodegradable plastic products. As we know that PHA is completely biodegradable, so this is the products will be completely biodegradable as well. Let me introduce our excellent and hardworking team. He is Sheikh Jarif Hussain, who is site engineer, and he is Said Imtiaz Mia, who is site manager.
And both of us are here for 1.5 years working very hard on this project to produce the bioplastic from this distillery wastewater.